So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have to find all triplets x, y and z of integers such that this condition must satisfy, like x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to x plus y plus z is equal to 3. So we have to find the all triplet integers. So let's see how we can solve this. So I just write the given condition here. So there is one identity that involve x plus y plus z and x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So what is that identity? Like you see here, x plus y plus z whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3 times x plus y plus x plus y multiplied by y plus z multiplied by z plus x. So this is the identity we have. So you can prove this yourself. So here you see we have x plus y plus z, so you can put that value 3 instead of x plus y plus z, so it will become like 3 cube 27, and here you can put like x cube plus y cube plus z cube value as 3, so it will become like 3 plus 3 times this thing, x plus y multiplied by y plus z multiplied by z plus x. So from here you can get the value of x plus y multiplied by y plus z multiplied by z plus x is equal to 8. Now initially we given the condition x plus y plus z is equal to 3. So instead of x plus y you can write like x plus y is equal to p minus z. Similarly y plus z is 3 minus x and z plus x is 3 minus y. So you can put x plus y as 3 minus z, y plus z as 3 minus x and z plus x as 3 minus y, and it is equal to 8. So we have this. Now you see the sum of these three numbers, like we have three numbers, 3 minus x, 3 minus y and 3 minus z. So if you sum all three numbers, it will become like 9 minus x plus y plus z, and x plus y plus z we know it is equal to 3, so it will become like 9 minus 3 which is equal to 6. So the sum is 6 and the product of them is 8. So the possibility is like when the sum of three numbers is even, like if all of them is even, or exactly one of them is even, like these are the two possibility, like all of them is even or exactly one of them is even. Only in that case the sum of three numbers will be positive. So we have like this condition, 3 minus x multiplied by 3 minus y multiplied by 3 minus z is equal to 8. So if all of them is even, so what are the different possibility? Like one possibility is so that their product is 8. So the one possibility is all of them is equal to 2. So I just write mod of all three numbers, like mod of 3 minus x, mod of 3 minus y, mod of 3 minus z is equal to 2. So we further take only those cases that satisfy our condition. So from here you can see that if mod of 3 minus x is equal to 2, so what is the different possibility? Like this can be 1, x value can be 1, or x value can be minus 5. So these are the two different possibility. X value can be 1 or x value can be minus 5. So initially we have condition like x plus y plus z is equal to 3. Similarly for y the possibility is 1 or minus 5 and z is 1 or minus 5. But we also have this condition like x plus y plus z is equal to 3. So for that the only possibility is all of them must be equal to 1. Only then in that case this condition is satisfied. So from here we can find one triplet of xyz like 1 comma 1 comma 1 which satisfy this condition also and this product condition also. Like there is possibility of minus 5, but it is not satisfying this condition. So we just ignore that and we just take like this. So another possibility is one of these number must be even and other two are odd. So in that case, the possibility of this is this product must be 8. So if one of them is even and other two are odd, so the possibility is one of them must be like 8. So I take just mode of this is equal to 8. So what are the different value of x possible? Like you can see -5 and 11. These are the two possibility of x. So that mod of 3 minus x must be equal to 8. And other two numbers are odd, so then mode value must be 1. Like they can be 1 or -1. So I just taking mode, and further we verify our given condition to get the final solution. So what are the different possibility of y and z for mode of 3 minus y or mode of 3 minus z to be 1? So the possibility is y can take 2 and 4 for mode of 3 minus y to be 1, and z also can take 2 and 4. But now let's back to this condition, like the sum is equal to 3. So what are the different possibility? Can we take x value 11? Because these are only positive. So if you add something positive to 11, so the sum cannot be is equal to 3. So we have to take the x value as -5. And for the and if sum is equal to 3, then the other possibility is just y and z must be equal to 4. So we get this triplet from here. So if you put like this value, x value as -5, so it will become like 8. This is -1 and -1, so the product is 8. So it is satisfying this condition. So we get this triplet and this triplet, and you can get the permutation of this also, because the equation is symmetric in x, y, and z. So you can get the permutation of this. So it will become like this and this. So these are the four possible triplet for that equation. So in this way we can solve this.